My name is Muralidharan. I'm the chairman and founder of TMI. First of all, I want to thank my good friend Anjani ji. It's a wonderful, Anjani ji, to see Hyderabad Police reaching such outstanding levels of the meaning of the word Indian Police Service. Everybody knows Indian Police, but first time we are seeing the word service coming really in display today. I'm very proud of being part of this exercise because for a long time, all of us have been saying that every one of us, whether in government or in private sector, our primary job is to help the youth of India. This is their future. They're going to build tomorrow of India. And our responsibility with mine, Rajesh, everybody else, Krishna, Shikha, all of us have only one desire, that you as young people should have a great future. Now, in this context, I want to say only one thing, and I've said this in many forums. This is probably the best time to be a young person in India. Primarily because I think, thanks to Prime Minister Modi, thanks to our Chief Minister in Telangana, all of them have come back and said, we make India, we make Telangana something of importance in the world map. Like all of you know about pharma industry, all of you know about IT industry. Now, the state government is also going to put a lot of emphasis on building multiple businesses from Hyderabad, which will be global. Now, what does it mean? More jobs for you and more exposure to be able to travel to America, travel around the world, anywhere you can work. So this, to my mind, it's a great, great opening, starting point, and I'm very, very, very grateful to She Teams for taking this initiative for women. Now, many people don't know the statistics about women, and I want you to know, this is very important. Today in the colleges, 50% of the women enrolled are women. People enrolled are women. That means for every male student, a boy student, there's a girl student. But unfortunately, when you look at the number of girls in the job, only 1 out of 6 girls are staying in a job after 3 or 4 years. Now the question you need to ask is, why are we not working after we getting a job? Your parents have invested, you have spent time in graduation. Why do we not able to encourage women to work longer? Because every woman who serves the country, serves the job, adds to the GDP and adds to our country. So one of the concerns TMI Group has taken upon ourselves is to look at women as somebody who's a national contributor. And therefore, apart from being a youth, you're also women. So 2 categories are very important to us. And I think you are special. So I think Ramesh also mentioned earlier that you are special. Don't ever forget that you have a right. You are born in this country cares for you. Indian Police Force, Indian Police Service, Hyderabad Telangana Police cares for you. So that is the very positive state you are in, and you are lucky to be born at this point of time. We didn't have this benefit when we were born. Second aspect is very important. Right? This is the most important message. Okay, we all of us, She Team, all of us get you a job. What is your responsibility? You have a primary responsibility making us proud that we got your job. How can you make us proud? Work in the job with 200% devotion. Like the way police force today, it's not their job to come and organize this event. It is not written in their contract that they have to organize event. They come here on their own time, put their energy in to make this happen. They're all doing this for you. Now what can you do for them? Tomorrow, 5 years later, Anjani ji or me or many of you meet you on the road. If you come and tell one of us, sir, I got a job in the job fair. I'm very happy. My job is, I'm doing very well in my company. My company is very happy with me. That's all we want to hear. We don't want anything from you. We only want you to succeed in the job that we give you. Can you promise me that? Can you all promise? Yes? Yes, you will stay in the job and make a success and make Telangana Police very proud. That's all we ask you, okay? Now, there are going to be problems when you go into any job, especially the first job. TMI has placed more than maybe 6 lakh people, young people like you, on jobs over the period of last 30 years. And we always tell the young people that they must know the difference between studying in a college and going to work. In studying in a college, you pay money to go to college. But when you go to a job, the company pays you to come to work. Now, what does it mean? It means that you are accountable to that employer to make sure that whatever the expectations are, your job is to meet them. You cannot be casual about a job. Job are very serious stuff, because if you succeed in the first job, I have done a lot of research in the area. Women and men who do very well in the first job, they become superstars. So if you want to be a superstar, put your heart and soul in the first job and make us proud. Thank you very much.